Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial that will guide you through the process of removing the WordPress icon from your browser tab. In this session, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and adjust the site icon settings to achieve a cleaner look in your browser. We will begin by directing your attention to the WordPress website. Start by opening your preferred browser and navigating to the main WordPress page. Once you are on the site, you need to look towards the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking on this login button will bring you to the authentication page where you can access your account securely. After you click on login, the next course of action is to select the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. This step is streamlined for convenience and ensures that you can sign in quickly without the need to remember an additional password. Selecting the Continue with Google option will prompt a new screen where you should choose the desired Google account. Choose the account that is associated with your WordPress site to maintain consistency and ensure that you have the appropriate permissions to make changes. Once you have successfully logged in using your selected Google account, your next task is to access your account settings. From your main dashboard or homepage, locate the settings area. Navigating to settings is a vital step, as this is where all changes to your site settings, including the site icon, can be made. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the settings interface, as understanding this area can be useful for various adjustments in the future. After navigating to the settings section, the next area to focus on is the site icon settings. The site icon controls the small image that appears in your browser tab, and this is where you will remove or change the WordPress icon. Carefully click on the area or link that leads you to the site icon settings. This will open a page where you have the ability to modify your site icon. Within the site icon settings, look for the option that lets you choose a new site icon image. Click on the button or link that is marked with similar wording. This action will typically bring up either a media library or an uploader where you can select the image that you prefer to display as your browser tab icon. It is important to note that the suggested dimensions for the new image are 512 pixels by 512 pixels. Using an image with these dimensions helps ensure that the icon appears crisp and clear in your browser. Once you have selected the image that you wish to use as your new site icon, proceed by clicking on the command that sets the chosen image as your active site icon. This will typically be indicated by a phrase that includes setting the image and also saving your changes. Clicking on this option finalizes your update and removes the previously set WordPress icon from your browser tab. Following these detailed steps, you have now customized your WordPress site icon. This change will reflect on your browser tab and contribute to a more personalized and branded online presence. Enjoy the new look of your site as you continue to explore further customization options within WordPress.